question. Do I do it as the man? Does she do it as my superior?
Alright, here's what this
That
is.
leads to other issues.
This tune-up tool
Our
thing.
relationship.
I'm putting the picture here first. This is what it is.
Hi.
I don't know if you can see it here. This so indent here, it straightens out your axle. Right, go in here. It'll go behind the wheel.
Well, if it was a mistake, it was a wonderful mistake.
It'll go behind the wheel. And you can adjust your wheel. I don't know if you can see it moving. And this end, up top, that'll help pull the wheel off. See?
Our fight. This is just the first fight of many fights we're gonna have.
It'll help pull your wheel off there. And it also helps put your wheel back on, so you don't snap the bearing out. You put it behind your wheel, like so. There's our wheel.
I think you're still a little bit drunk. Excuse me?
Oh, and I'm putting the wrong end in.
I think yes.
I usually use the end that straightens the axle out.
No, I think I could do something. Somebody gonna say we had our first.
Alright. Then you push it back in. And as you can see, our wheel is back in. And it rolls. Oh, it's not. It rolls on so you don't hit nothing. It rolls down. That's what the tune-up tool does.